Hi, in this video we are going to see about second normal form. Let's see the conditions for second normal form. Second normal form is a step in the normalization process of database design. The table is in second normal form if it satisfies the following two conditions. First one is a table must be in first normal form, and second one is table must not have any partial dependency. First we see about what is partial dependency condition. Before going to that, we should know what is prime attribute. A prime attribute is an attribute that is a part of a candidate key. A non-prime attribute is attribute that is not part of any candidate key. So partial dependency occurs when a non-prime attribute is determined by only a part of the candidate key. Okay. Now, how to identify partial dependency? First, we need to identify the candidate key of the table. Second, we have to identify the prime attributes. Next, third one, we have to identify the non-prime attributes. And last, we need to check if any non-prime attribute is functionally dependent on only a part of the candidate key. If such a dependency exists, it is a partial dependency. Let's see an example for removing partial dependency. Consider the given table. Here we have student ID, course ID and course P column. First we need to identify the candidate key. In this table we have student ID and course ID or candidate keys. The prime attributes are student ID and course ID. Then non-prime attributes are course P. So let's find the functional dependency. Course P depends on student ID and course ID. This is the first functional dependency. And second functional dependency is course P depends on course ID. The second functional dependency indicates a partial dependency because course P is determined by only part of the candidate key, course ID, not by the student ID. Let's see how to eliminate this partial dependency. We split the student table into two tables, that is student course table and course table. Student course table contains only student ID and course ID, and course table contains course ID and course P. Now both tables are in second normal form because there are no partial dependencies. Eliminating partial dependency reduces the redundant data. For example, without second normal form, the course P would be stored multiple times for each student enrolled in the same course. By splitting the table, the course P is stored only once for each course. I hope you will understand the concept of second normal form. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.